Okay, we're going to do 7, 7, guys, ahead of 7, 6, just because I think in my mind it makes a little more sense. We are going to find something called the determinant. And after today, we're going to use the determinant to find the inverse, which you'll see tomorrow. And then on Monday, you'll see how we use the determinant in Kramer's rule. So what I want you guys to focus on here is here's your matrix, right? If we have a square matrix, which is a 2 by 2 square matrix, and to find the determinant, you're going to multiply top left and bottom right, and then you're going to subtract that from top right, bottom left. We're going to call red the major, and we're going to call blue the minor. Whoops. All right, I want you to just think of top left, bottom right is major, top right, bottom left is minor. And we're going to say that the determinant value is major. Why do I keep doing that? Major minus the minor. Things are a little bit different when we have a 3 by 3, but we'll talk about that in a second. So let's find the determinant of each of these. So I'm going to take my major axis right here, and I'm going to say 2 times 2 minus the minor, which is negative 3 times 1. And when we multiply these together, I get 4 minus a negative 3. My determinant value is 7. For B, same thing. I'm going to say 2 times 2, my major, 2 times 2 minus the minor, 4 times 1. When we work that out, we get 4 minus 4. Your determinant value is 0. One more time, I'm going to take my major here, so top left, bottom right, 0 times 4 minus my minor, which we'll say is 2 times 3 over 2. So 0 times 4 is going to give me 0 minus, that's going to cancel, so I get 3. So my determinant value is negative 3. Your determinant value can be positive, it can be negative, and it can be 0. So now we come up and it says to find the determinant of a 3 by 3. So this is a little bit different. So what we're going to do, the first step is to rewrite your matrix. So rewrite your matrix. So we're going to rewrite our matrix. I'm going to write it right here. I'm going to say 0, 3, 4, 2, negative 1, 0, and then 1, 2, 1. So I've rewritten. Your second step is to recopy the first and second column. All right, so I'm going to take my first column, which is 0, 3, 4, and my second column, which is 2, negative 1, 0. Now, the reason we do that is because when you have a 3 by 3 determinant, that means you need 3 numbers in your major axis, and you need 3 numbers in your minor. So I'm going to take right here, top left, bottom right, and I said there's 1, 2, 3. So those are my 3 majors that I'm. So we have our major. So this is our major. So I have 0 times negative 1 times 1 is 0. Plus 2 times 2 is 4 times 4 is 16. Plus 1 times 3 times 0 is 0. Major minus your minor. So our minor is going to be right here. Here, here, and here. So I have 4 times negative 1 times 1 is negative 4. 0 times 2 times 0 is plus 0. And then I have 1 times 3 times 2, which is plus 6. So now we simplify, guys. 0 plus 16 plus 0 is 16 minus negative 4 plus 0 plus 6 is 2. And then 16 minus 2 is 14. And there's your determinant. Literally that simple. So let's do the next one. Again, on WebAssign, guys, your numbers might be a little bigger. Feel free to use a calculator on the WebAssign ones. Just make sure you're showing me what you're adding and stuff together. But on your test, you will not have a calculator. So first step here is to rewrite. Since I have a 3 by 3, we're going to rewrite the first 2 columns. So I have 6, 2, 4, 1, negative 3, and negative 1. And remember, it's major minus minor. Order matters here, especially when we'll get to Kramer's rule. So I'm going to find my majors. I have a major here, here, and here. So my major is going to be 6 times negative 3 times 2, which is negative 36, plus 1 times 3 times 4 is 12, plus 7 times 2 times negative 1 is negative 14. Minus, let's find our minor now. Here, here, whoops. Wait, see, you gotta make sure you get that right. Hang on. It's here, here, and here. Got it. All right, so I have negative 3, 4, and 7 is going to give me negative 84, plus negative 1 times 3 times 6 is negative 18, plus 2 times 2 times 1 is going to give me 2 times 2 times 4. All right, so now we're going to add. Negative 36 plus 12 minus 14 gives me a negative 38, minus negative 84 plus negative 18 plus 4 is going to give me a negative 98. So this is where you guys got to be super careful with signs, because when you have minus and negative, remember this becomes a plus. So negative 38 plus 98 is going to give me 60. So your determinant value for this is 60. Literally that easy, guys. Go ahead and start working on this web sign.